Right-click and select Format Background. And select Picture and Texture Fill. Insert the picture from the folder you have in your computer. And make the brightness -25. Next, go to Insert tab, select the Shape tab and then select the round rectangular shape. Then change the color of the rectangle and shape, fill it with white color and remove the outline of the shape. And change the transparency of the shape to 38%. Then insert the Text tab and right S and adjust it. Then select the shape before the text by holding Ctrl key and go to Shape Format and select Merge Shapes, and there you can choose the Subtract option. Then finally fill the content that you want to fill. And do the same process for all the slides. Finally, go to Transition and choose the Rotate Transition option by scrolling down. And select the Apply to All Slides option in your right side. Finally, our elegant PowerPoint presentation is ready in just less than 3 minutes. For more creativity to make your PowerPoint great, just subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.